very nice.
With a very good teacher.
It's nice to have some equals in that sense.
And so it's good to know more, that you know how your boat is working, then feeling a bit more confident.
Very good. And it was fun.
Yeah, and that was fun.
It was fun. We were very lucky.
The wind was fantastic.
The sailing today is fantastic.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Fun and good.
We learned a lot. It's definitely new and I have never done it before. Enjoy your ladies' time together. I think we talk more about what we are about to do. We know what is happening.
It was better.
Yeah, it was One more day.